What's up, guys? It's Zvlog Outdoors here today, and today is opening day of dove season. I'm actually out here in the back of our house right now. We're trying to slay some doves in the afternoon shoot. We had a pretty successful day in the morning, as you're going to see in these couple clips. I think I got 14, Allan got 15, and a couple of my buddies got like 8 and 9 or something like that. But pretty successful day dove hunting so far. See if I can limit out in this field right now. Got the dogs panting like a madman in the background. Mad women, shall I say. And yeah, using the Benelli Super Black Eagle too. You can't go wrong. What a day so far. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy these.
When it's over and the heart breaks and the cracks begin to show.